Hey, I wanted to pop in today just to let you know that I am doing a really fun and free challenge for the next 3 weeks. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, then you probably haven't heard about it, but it's called the Off The Backburner Challenge. And basically, we're gonna spend 15 minutes a day doing something that really is meaningful to you, but maybe you haven't been able to really carve out the time for. Now, I'm a really big believer in baby steps. That is how I have created my business. That's how I've written books. That is how I have really built up a lot of fundamental things in my life. So, I want to show you the power of just small steps and consistent work, and the power of mind and thought management, because thought work is really key when it comes to actually getting things done. We sometimes think that there are so many outside obstacles that are getting in the way, but so often it's actually just your own thoughts. So I'm going to be doing a lot of support throughout this process. The link to sign up is below, and I hope that you will join me for the Off the Backburner Challenge. You just need 15 minutes a day, and I will send you a lot of really fun things, ongoing support through the 3 weeks, and some fun surprises, maybe even some prizes. So I hope that you will check it out. The link is below this video, and I hope that you're having a great summer, a great day. Take care.